Right, this has been on the wall for over 48 hours now, so it's fully set. I've now got to put these metal fixings in. These are 115 millimeters long, so that's 45 millimeters more than the 70 millimeter insulation, and they're supposed to be at least 40 millimeters more, so that's a good length. I haven't found any videos on YouTube of how to fit exactly these in, but I've seen a video of something similar, and it seems you put them in until this end bit is countersunk a little way into the insulation. So you screw it in until this pushes into the insulation. Let's see how it goes. I've got my 8mm drill. I've got a piece of tape there showing where it's about 120 millimeters in. So I'm going to try drilling, and hopefully it's as easy to fit as normal Rawl plugs are. Right, I'm going to put one right in the middle of this, and I'm going to angle this up slightly, and that's so that if there's any moisture that collects on it, at least it doesn't go down into the wall, and if possible even it comes slightly out of the wall. Okay, that's pretty easy. I think you hammer this in slightly, and then for the last bit you screw it in, and this is a Torx head fitting on this, which is a bit strange, but my dad managed to find one, so let's see how this goes. There, quite nicely in, and that's countersunk, so it hardly sticks out at all. I think that's how it should be. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of these now. You're supposed to put in about 7 per metre squared, and there's about 1.5 metres squared here. So I'm going to put one in at each corner, overlapping here, and then one at the centre of each as well, and that'll be 11 in total, so that should be enough. That was really easy. It's just the same as putting Rawl plugs in, and they're all done now. Just a couple of other things to mention. One is that these, although they're metal, they're actually plastic for the top part of them, and that's to stop the thermal bridging apparently. But I don't want to put too many in because they will actually reduce the thermal efficiency of these. So I'll put 11 in here, that's the amount you're supposed to have. The other thing is, these are 115 millimeters. When I get to doing the board on top of the pebble dash, since that sticks out 2 centimeters, I've got 135 millimeter ones for that, so they'll still go into the brick, at least that 4 centimeters. And then the last thing to mention is, as with all Rawl plugs, you just have to make sure that you drill the hole deep enough so that the Rawl plug goes all the way in, otherwise it gets stuck on the outside and you'll have it overlapping a little bit and sticking out. That's it. Next video is going to be rendering this, which is going to be, I think, the most difficult part of the whole thing. So I'm not really looking forward to that, but I'm hoping it's as easy as everything up to now has been.